Hey, stargazers. Let's talk about something that has baffled philosophers, scientists, and curious minds for centuries. What came first? The egg or the chicken? Sounds simple, right? But does it really have an easy answer? Before we go clucking around in circles, let's break it down. Imagine a chicken just standing there, looking all chickeny. But wait, that chicken came from an egg. So, does that mean the egg came first? Or does the fact that a chicken had to lay the egg mean the chicken came first? Let's think this through. From a biological perspective, every chicken on Earth today is the result of, you guessed it, an egg. So, if we trace the ancestry of the chicken, somewhere down the line, there had to be an egg that hatched the first true chicken. Now hold on, don't go running to the farm just yet. If we trace the evolutionary tree back far enough, we'll find that the first egg didn't come from a chicken at all, but from some ancient dinosaur. Yep, dinosaurs were laying eggs long before chickens existed. Through millions of years of evolution, dinosaurs slowly gave way to birds, chickens being one of them. The egg? It was already around. The chicken? Not quite yet. So, from an evolutionary standpoint, the egg came first. Okay, but let's throw a curveball at you. What if we're talking about the first chicken egg? Well, scientists have an answer for that, too. It's likely that the first egg we would call a chicken egg came from a bird that wasn't exactly a chicken, but its DNA was close enough. The mutation that led to the first true chicken would have happened in that egg. So, technically, it's the egg. The first true chicken egg was laid by a bird that was not a chicken, but the little one inside it had all the right DNA to become the chicken we know and love today. In the end, the egg had to come first. Sorry, chickens, you're just the latest iteration of an egg that's been around for millions of years. So, next time you hear someone ask, what came first, the egg or the chicken, you can say with confidence, the egg. Or, just tell them it's all a cluckin' mystery. If this cracked your brain a little, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending facts, and drop a comment telling us what other theories we can hatch together. Until next time, keep looking up.